Today we're going to talk through the instructions on SAP transaction ZPCE. The intent of this transaction is to process failed scanned production confirmations. The way the process works is the end users on the line will be scanning their carton labels, and at submit, the system posts time ticket confirmations against the production order. So in instances where they don't post, we do not notify the user, the production line worker. We just simply log the error in this error tool to allow scheduling to go ahead and process. So let's get started. If I go to transaction ZPCE, and it's ZPCE, the way to remind that is it's Z post confirmation errors. I hit enter. Okay, we're gonna have a selection criteria here. Basically, you have a few options. I mean, really, the queue for the errors are going to be empty once you process them. So you can just put in your plant number. If you wanted to run it by work center, you could, or scan date. I don't really see the need. You have two options down here. There are instances where confirmations get posted by accident and don't get posted to the order. In that case, you can set the deletion status for the scan right here. For executing them, we want to display and then execute, which means it'll display the error, it'll allow you to look at it, analyze it, and then post it. Okay? So we're going to do that. We're looking at plant 25, and we'll see a couple errors here. We give order number, material number, carton number, the scan date, and then the reason, which is the most important reason. The reasons you'll run into are the same reasons you'll run into errors with confirmations now. Over delivery tolerance, posting period, orders locked, what have you. So what I'm showing here are these two errors. They're a little old. What I'm going to do is I'm going to back out, and I have an order here that I'm going to process confirmations against. So we have this order here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to post a confirmation against this order. And I'm going to show you a successful one, and then I'm going to show you a unsuccessful one. So what I'm doing off screen is scanning one of the carton labels, carton number 10 for this order. And then what I'm simply going to do is post the confirmation. Okay? When you come here and you hit refresh, you'll see that carton number 10 was posted. And if we were to look at this production order, at the operation level, again, we're talking time tickets, you will see one each was posted against the confirmation. So it happens that fast. Here's our eaches per carton. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into this order in change mode. And I'm there already. Okay, so this is change mode. If you tried to post a confirmation online using the CO transaction that you use, it would not post. So any of the errors still apply. So what I'm going to do again off screen is post another confirmation against cart number 9. Okay, and actually I'll do 2 of them. Cart number 8. Okay, so now I'm going to submit it. The user still gets the same message, data received. They're none the wiser that we just had a posting fail. We want to keep the line moving, so we just have them send the data, scan it once, and we're done. So now if I come here to my ZDPT transaction to look at my statuses, you're going to see these two, error 8 and 9. Okay? And actually, although our transaction will handle it, also in ZDPT we have the error. If I expand it out wide enough, it'll say being processed by me. Okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into this confirmation transaction. And again, it's a monitoring transaction. And when I select it, you're now going to see that these two errors are here. Order, confirmation number, material, date, time, and reason code are here. That'll allow you to correct it. If it was an over delivery tolerance, We would just have to look into what went over, was it legit? If so, adjust the order. If not, we could delete the confirmation error. Here, we know that the order is just locked. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to this production order, and I'm going to back out of this, okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just simply come here, select both of these lines, and hit this little post confirmation errors icon right here, and it's posted. If I go back to my ZPCE, go back to my ZDPT, and I hit refresh, those 8 and 9 are now posted, and they're successful. And just for sake of being thorough, we now have 3 each is posted here, so that posts. Okay, so that's the transaction. The idea behind it is that we keep this clean. If I wanted to execute a deletion, I'm going to take that one that's sitting there since 2013, and it's the same process as posting the good ones. We just hit mark records for deletion. What it would do is it would go into ZPCE and then label status and flag that for deletion. If there's any questions, feel free to contact support at support@pcf.com. Thanks.